Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to stop Siri getting activate automatically on iPhone. So whenever you say only Siri and your Siri getting activated automatically and sometimes it's very annoying, here's how to stop this. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on Siri and search, and here tap on listen for, and here if you selected Siri or hey Siri for listen, then whenever you say Siri, the Siri will be activate automatically. So to enable or activate Siri, when you say hey Siri, then you have to select this option hey Siri. Once you selected hey Siri, now on, if you say only Siri, the Siri won't be able to activate automatically. To activate Siri, you have to say hey Siri. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.